I'm changing out the headlights on my daily, and I came across a tip, and it has to do with aftermarket headlights. Now, a lot of people complain that they get fogging inside of them due to moisture, and part of that is because there's not a good seal around the headlights. Well, I almost made that mistake. I'm going to have to take off my other headlight to fix it, but I'll show you what happens. So this is the headlight that I took out. As you can see, it's got a seal right here. Well, that's actually not part of the headlight. That is supposed to be part of the connector. And as you can see, the new headlight doesn't have that, but I took it off the other light and I put it right there on the bulb, and that creates the seal so moisture doesn't get in there. So before you're putting your headlights in, double check that. You can see even the turn signal bulb has a seal around it. So double check that, and maybe you won't have fogging inside of your aftermarket headlights and you don't have to pay a premium.